Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. What you're looking at right here is my Spotify playlist with all of my Spotify songs that I have uploaded for free and been able to earn revenue from as they get more plays. Today I'm showing you exactly how you can upload your music to Spotify for free in 2026. So first things first, open up a new tab and you're going to search for Freshtunes. Once you have searched this, click on the top one. It has currently a yellow logo. Of course, always do your own research into the one you would like to distribute with, but for me, because I want a free distributor, this is the correct one. I'm going to select sign up if you have not got an account, or sign in. Now, of course, I already have an account, so I'm going to select sign in. I would also recommend signing into the newer version of Freshtunes, and selecting submit or signing up if you are doing it for the first time will automatically direct you to this area of Freshtunes. Here you're going to see all the services on the left hand side: finance, services, artists, migration, requests. Now, if you've got your song ready, you will need your song, your album cover, and all of the people that helped you compose it to get your song approved and live. Select new release at the top left hand corner. Here you need to type in the release title, the language, the genre, who owns the copyright. For me, it's just me. It's not been previously released. Now here we need to add our artwork. It's very specific about what we're allowed to put in here. No brand logos, no social media logos or handles, and no text except for the artist's name or the name of the release. And it also has to be in a square format, PNG, JPEG, or JPG. Actually, I'm going to do a different song. However, here is one of my songs from before. It's called Glorious Australia. You'll see that my artwork is very much a square dimension, 1400 by 1400. I'd recommend that. I'm going to upload it. I'm going to change the Glorious Australia. You'll see that my title matches up specifically to my artwork, and then I have the artist's name at the very top. So then I can select continue. Here I can add the track itself. The song has to be in WAV format. So if you only have MP3 at the moment, I'd recommend opening up GarageBand and exporting the song and saving it as a WAV format. So I'm going to select share. I've added the song to my timeline, export to disk, and select WAV at the bottom. Then I can upload and select the song, and it will begin uploading to the track list. The track has successfully been uploaded. Then I need to select this drop down arrow and type in all of the different things about the song. So it's called Glorious Australia, as we know from the previous artwork cover. Non-explicit, there are vocals in the track. An artist, I've already got myself as an artist there, but if you are creating your account for the first time on Freshtunes, you need to select add new. This will be absolutely fine. Then you select add. You need to add a songwriter, and I'm going to select myself as the composer and the songwriter because that's truth, and you need both people. And then you can continue to add any contributors that helped you make your song. So here is where you add all the copyright information, beats, people, or stuff like that. Then we can select continue. Here's where we select the distribution platforms. So today we're doing Spotify, and you'll see that if I scroll down, Spotify is right there. That is now selected. For example, Spotify is selected, tick. Now, typically what I would normally say is that you would select all, save, and it would go to every platform you see on this list. However, for today's purposes, we're just doing Spotify, so I've only selected that one, and I select save. As we can see, Spotify is the distribution platform, country, it's everywhere in the world. And then I can select release as soon as possible or the exact date. I'd select save changes and continue. And this is where I can continue to make adjustments. It will tell me if there's any errors. And if there are any errors, then I'll need to resolve them. I can click this drop down menu. The audio language is not specified, so I'm going to go back to the track list. I'm going to select the drop down, and I'm going to select that there are vocals in this track, and I'm going to select the language of the vocals. I'm going to save that. Then I'm going to continue over back to where I was. Select continue. Here is all of my information. Everything has to be correct. You cannot mess around with the wrong title, the wrong name, or be cheeky with the artwork because it won't get approved. But from here, I would select send for review. It would take a few days, or it would take a few weeks, realistically, probably, to get the song approved. After it is approved, it will end up on Spotify, as you can see right here. So that's how you get your music onto Spotify in 2026. I hoped this helped you out. Please do leave a like and subscribe. If you need any further support, feel free to join my channel. You can click the button right next to the subscribe button. I have a lot of requests, so I can only reply to those who are members of the channel. Thank you for supporting me. It means a lot.